If you're looking to grow your retirement fund while keeping your taxes in check, you're in the right place. Tax efficient strategies are one of the smartest ways to maximize your wealth for the long term. But with so many options out there, how do you know which strategies will really work for you? By the end of this video, you'll have some proven tactics that will help you grow your retirement fund without giving up more of your hard-earned money than you have to. Before we get into the strategies, I want to quickly mention a free guide in the description that thousands of Americans are using to protect their wealth with gold IRAs. If you're serious about protecting your wealth over the next 2 weeks and want to see why so many people are choosing this route, check that link for more information. Now let's dive into some tax-efficient strategies for growing your retirement fund. First, one of the most common options is contributing to a tax-deferred account like a traditional IRA or 401k. The beauty of these accounts is that you don't pay taxes on your contributions up front. This means your money grows faster since it's not getting hit by taxes every year. But the catch is that you'll eventually have to pay taxes when you take the money out in retirement. That's why it's crucial to have a good tax strategy in place, especially when you start pulling funds in your later years. But if you're in a high tax bracket or expect to be in a lower bracket in retirement, a Roth IRA or Roth 401k might be a better option. With a Roth, you pay the taxes now, but when you retire, your withdrawals are completely tax-free. If you think your tax bracket is going to be higher in retirement than it is now, this strategy can save you a lot of money in the long run. Another strategy is tax loss harvesting. This involves selling investments that have lost value to offset any gains you've made elsewhere. By doing this, you can reduce your overall taxable income for the year. It's a great way to keep more of your gains while staying within the limits of the tax code. Just be sure to balance this with a long-term strategy so you're not selling investments just to lower taxes. It's important that you don't hurt your future growth potential. One thing most retirees overlook is the power of a tax-efficient withdrawal strategy. When it comes time to start taking money out of your retirement accounts, having a plan for how and when to take withdrawals can save you a lot of taxes. For example, withdrawing from your taxable brokerage account first might allow you to leave tax-advantaged accounts like your IRA and Roth untouched for longer. This can give your investments in those accounts more time to grow. Now, let's talk about something a lot of retirees don't consider, but can be one of the most tax-efficient options, a gold IRA. Gold IRAs allow you to diversify your retirement savings in precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum. The benefit here is that precious metals tend to hold value well over time, especially when traditional markets are volatile. With a gold IRA, you get the benefit of tax-deferred growth, just like a regular IRA, but you also protect your wealth against inflation. It's a strategy that can help you reduce exposure to stocks and bonds while still growing your retirement fund. If you're looking to protect your wealth and are wondering how a gold IRA can fit into your plan, check out the free guide in the description. It's designed for retirees who want to make sure their hard-earned savings are safe from market fluctuations and rising inflation. And here's the best part. If you're someone with 100K or more in an IRA, 401k, or savings, this guide will show you how to make the most of your money using gold IRAs and tax-efficient strategies. Even if you have 5-man blocks and savings, you'll get insight into how to diversify and grow that wealth using strategies that are proven to work. To wrap things up, tax-efficient strategies are essential to making sure your retirement savings last for the long haul. From maximizing your contributions to taking advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRAs, there are numerous ways to reduce your tax burden while growing your fund. And don't forget, gold IRAs offer an incredible opportunity to safeguard your wealth in ways traditional retirement accounts simply can't match. If you're serious about protecting your wealth and want to learn more about tax-efficient strategies like gold IRAs, check the first link in the description. It's perfect for American retirees looking to maximize their savings.